Okay, y'all, so I've done a whole new video here. Here we go. We're going to mix some green and yellow and just fill in his slippers. That's a mix of green and yellow to get this kind of lime green color. So all we're doing is filling in, completely filling in his slippers. If y'all see that that's a little different drawing because Facebook didn't like the first video. So we're going to try this. Alright, so I've got that filled in. Next thing we're going to do is wash our brush out and pick up some of this royal blue, and I'm going to add it to our green, just a little bit of our green and yellow mixture, and we're going to get kind of a teal color. So got that going. Going to do his head with that mixture. Just fill it completely in. Okay, so y'all see I've got the teal. All right, next thing I'm going to do is wash my brush out completely, pick up some of that royal blue, and it's got to have some water in it. And your flippers have got to still be wet for this to work, so we're just going to touch down a little bit of that blue right there at the edge of his flipper where it attaches to his shell. So we're going to get just a little flow going here, and that's why your flippers still need to be a little wet. All right, so y'all see it's flowing. Okay, so we got that done. Next thing we're going to do is wash your brush completely out, and we're going to add nothing but water to the shell. And try not to get up in there where where it touches your flippers. So we're just going to fill in this whole thing with nothing but water. And you may have to pick it up to see. And if y'all can, I can show y'all. See how it's completely covered with nothing but water? All right, so if it's shiny, you know you got it done. All right, so our next thing is to pick up some of the royal blue, and it's got to have a good bit of water in it, not too much, but a good bit. And what we want to do is just touch it around so that it's going to flow into the center of our shell. Y'all see how it's flowing in? And get right up to the edge where your flippers are. And if you get right into it, it's okay. It's quite all right, because we want it to kind of look like the blue is faded into the flippers a little bit. And see that green backed up into, but that's okay too. This is watercolor. All right, so now we've got our blue. Add just a little bit more right there. So now we've got our blue. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to come back and pick up some of that green mixture we made before, the green and yellow, and just dot it right here in the center of the turtle shell. Okay, I put just a little bit right there, and right there. Okay, can y'all see? Pick it up and move it around just a little bit. And there's our turtle.